Hey there, Sony TV owners. Are you struggling with a TV that blinks red twice? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we're going to dive into how to fix your TV when it blinks red twice. This is a common issue with certain Sony TV models and can usually be resolved with some simple troubleshooting steps. Let's get your TV back to working order so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies again. Step 1. Perform a power reset. A power reset can resolve a variety of common TV issues. Number 1. Power off. Begin by turning off your TV using the remote or the power button on the device. Number 2. Unplug the power cord. Disconnect the TV from the power outlet. This step is crucial. Number 2. Unplug the power cord. Disconnect the TV from the power outlet. This step is crucial to ensure a full reset. Number 3. Wait and reconnect. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 2 minutes. Afterward, plug it back in securely. Number 4. Turn it on. Power your TV back on and check if the red blinking has ceased. If this doesn't solve the issue, don't worry. We have more steps to explore. Step 2. Check the HDMI connections. Poor connections can lead to signal issues. Number 1. Inspect the connections. Carefully examine all HDMI cables connected to your TV. Ensure they are firmly plugged into both the TV and any connected devices. Number 2. Switch cables or ports. Try using different HDMI cables or connecting to a different HDMI port on the TV. Sometimes the issue may be with a specific cable or port. By doing this, you can rule out connection problems as the cause of the red blinking. Step 3. Update or reset the TV software. Outdated or corrupted software can lead to operational issues. Number 1. Access TV menu. Press the Home button on your remote to access the TV's settings menu. Number 2. Software update. Navigate to Settings, Support, Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to check for available updates. Install any available updates to ensure your TV is running the latest software. Number 3. Factory reset. If updating doesn't solve the problem, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Note that this will erase personalized settings, so use this as a last resort. A refreshed software environment often resolves persistent issues. Step 4. Inspect external devices. External devices might trigger the TV's red blinking. Number 1. Disconnect all devices. Unplug all external devices like gaming consoles, DVD players, or streaming boxes from your TV. Number 2. Test the TV. Turn your TV on without any external devices connected. If the blinking stops, reconnect devices one by one to identify the problematic device. Ensuring that external devices are not the culprits can save time and headaches. When you're facing issues with your Sony TV blinking red twice, don't panic. By systematically working through these steps, power resetting, checking connections, updating software, and inspecting external devices, you can often resolve the problem without professional help. If none of these solutions work, it may be time to contact Sony's customer support or consult a professional for further assistance. Remember, keeping your TV's software up to date and maintaining good connection practices can prevent many common issues. Enjoy seamless TV viewing and happy troubleshooting.